Good morning. Today is Wednesday, September 2nd. You are on lesson 3 of math in Zearn. I wanted to do a quick review of what you kind of did in Zearn yesterday. So during the Power Tower, you were given a number in unit form, 6 10,000s, 4 hundreds. Now it's really important that you take the time to draw it out in a place value chart. So to help me figure out what 6 10,000s, 4 hundreds times 10 would be, I'm going to draw my place value chart. And I am up here in 10,000s. And I know if I'm timesing by 10, I'm going to be moving all of my dots up. So I'm going to need to go even bigger. Make sure my place value chart has bigger than 10,000s, which would be up to 100,000s. So I need my ones place, my tens place, my hundreds place, my thousands place, my 10,000s place, my hundreds thousands place, and I can stop there. Okay, so I got my ones, my tens, my hundreds, my thousands, my 10,000s, my 100,000s. Okay, now that I have my place chart set up, I can go ahead and plug in the numbers that they gave me. 6 10,000s. It's really important that you read this whole thing. 10,000s. So I need to go to the 10,000s place. And I need to add 6 of them. I have 6 10,000s. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 4 hundreds. I'm going to go to the hundreds place, and I have 4 of them. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds place. So when I am timesing by 10, I know as a mathematician, that means all my numbers are going to get bigger. So I'm going to need to grab them and move them over one place in the place value chart. So all my 10,000s now become 100,000s. All my hundreds now become thousands. Okay? Something that might help you a little bit better is this isn't just one. That is actually 10 of them. And remember, whenever we have 10 of something, we grab it and we move it over. Okay? So now what I do is I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600,000. So I'm going to write down that 6 100,000s is the same as 600,000. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 thousands now. 4 1,000s is the same as 4,000. And then you just got to add these together. 600,000 plus 4,000 is 604,000. Don't forget your comma. Okay? So 6 10,000s, 400s times 10 is 604,000. Or I could say it as 600,000 4 thousands. Okay, this is the standard form, 604,000. This is the unit form, saying 600,000 4,000. So unit form, saying 600,000 4,000. Standard form, 604,000. Which will lead into today's lesson of writing numbers, taking them from the unit form to the standard form. So if I have 4 thousands, 2 hundreds, 6 ones, and I want to write it in the standard form, think about your place value. Well, I know 4 1,000s is actually 4,000. 2 hundreds is actually 200, and 6 ones is actually 6 ones. So then I can just add all of that together. Think back to, I think in second grade is when you started expanded form. So then you know 4,000 plus 200 is 4,200. I don't have any tens, so I'm going to stick that 0 in the tens place. And there's my 1. 4,206 is the standard form. Maybe a place value chart helps you. Okay, I know 6 is ones, so I'm going to stick that in the ones place. I don't have any tens, so I'm going to put a 0. 200 would be in my hundreds place, and I have 2 of them. And 4,000 would go in my thousands place, and I have 4 of them. So 4,206. Okay, so don't overthink it. You're just taking today in the lesson, you're going from the unit form to the standard form. Use your expanded form if that helps you. Use the place value chart if that helps you. Watch that math chat. I'll post some other videos on Google Classroom. If you need any help, let me know. Thank you.